Hello everybody, my name is Bao Cai from GCE Education Hub. Today, we will be going through how to prepare soluble salts through titration. So, let's go! Students generally guess what starting reagent to use when preparing salts. But that's not the way. So when do you know when you need to use titration? You use titration when the salt you want to prepare contains a very reactive metal. So what is reactive metal? Examples will be potassium and sodium, which are usually the group 1 metals. So example of salts that contains these reactive metals are potassium nitrate and sodium sulfate. Okay, so how do we prepare this? Okay, when we do titration method, we will just require an acid and alkali. So let's talk about potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate contains K plus and NO3 minus. So the K plus will usually come from the alkali. So in this case, we'll use potassium hydroxide. And for acid, we'll use nitrate, so it will be nitric acid. Okay, so nitric acid plus potassium hydroxide, you will get potassium nitrate plus water. So let's look at the second example. Let's prepare sodium sulfate. Sodium is Na+, sulfate is SO4 2-. So for the sodium, we will get it from the alkali, so it will be sodium hydroxide. And the SO4, we will get it from the acid, so it will be H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid plus sodium hydroxide, you'll get sodium sulfate plus water. So for titration, we will prepare soluble salts. And always remember, the two starting reagents must be both soluble too. So this is how we prepare a soluble salt through titration. If you find the content that we are sharing useful, remember to like and subscribe. See you soon. Goodbye.